Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill out a form in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your Acrobat Reader. Then from there we need to upload that document where you'd like to fill that form in. So I'm going to click on open. And now I've got this, I'm going to go to my downloads. Then from here, I've got this demo Acrobat form that I just created on ChatGPT. So I'm just going to open this up. Now we can see this is a demo form to fill in. So to fill this form in, say for example, fill in my full name, email address, phone box or phone number, date of birth, we need to click on the edit button. Then basically we need to add content. So this is a premium version. You can't use this for free. So my trial ran out the other day. So basically I want to click on the text button and then hover over where your full name is, put it here, and then go ahead and put in your name, and then just keep clicking text, or you can control C that box and paste it in these fields here to fill it out. Now if there are any drop down menus here as well, it depends what type of form you got. So if there's a drop down menu, you can just click onto it and then you can select whatever. Same thing, if there's a yes no question, you can basically go ahead and click on yes or no to fill out your answer.